Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin and Ethereum are feeling the heat as institutional money heads for the exits. Bitcoin is trading at $77,440, while Ethereum sits at $2,128. The real story is massive outflow from spot Bitcoin ETFs. Over $1.6 billion in 10 days. BlackRock's IBIT fund alone saw $448 million walk out on May 18th. This pullback hits as US Treasury yields surge to multi-year highs. The 30-year yield reached 5.14%, its highest since 2007. When safe government bonds offer better returns, risky assets like crypto take the hit. Ethereum whales holding over 10,000 ETH dropped from 1,100 addresses to 1,030, signaling major profit-taking. Senator Elizabeth Warren has fired off a blistering letter to the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, accusing the agency of illegally approving trust bank charters for 9 crypto firms including Coinbase, Paxos, Ripple, BitGo, and Fidelity Digital Asset Services. Warren argues these companies are operating as crypto banks while dodging strict oversight. She's demanding records of communications between the OCC and President Trump regarding charter approvals, particularly for World Liberty Financial, where Trump holds financial stakes. But there's positive news. The SEC proposed the largest IPO rules overhaul in over 20 years. Newly public companies can now use shelf registrations immediately, allowing pre-registration of securities and quick share sales when markets improve. The $75 million public float requirement is scrapped, and the large accelerated filer threshold jumps from $700 million to $2 billion. This could help volatile crypto companies like BitGo and Circle access capital markets faster and cheaper. President Trump signed executive orders reshaping crypto regulation. One directs the Federal Reserve to review how crypto firms access wholesale payment systems and master accounts, potentially giving companies like Ripple direct money transfer capabilities through Fedwire. The second tightens Bank Secrecy Act rules. Hours after Minnesota banned prediction markets, the CFTC and DOJ sued the state, claiming the ban violates federal jurisdiction. Truth Social pulled its spot Bitcoin ETF application after Morgan Stanley launched a competing product at 14 basis points in fees. Bloomberg analysts say brutal fee competition made the product economically unviable. The Ethereum Foundation faces scrutiny after 6 high-profile researchers departed this year, including Carl Beek and Julian Ma. Despite turmoil, Ethereum staking surged back above 39 million ETH, showing strong long-term investor confidence. Internationally, Japan's Liberal Democratic Party is pushing comprehensive on-chain finance initiative to protect yen sovereignty, including clearer stablecoin regulations and blockchain settlement for payroll and taxes. Germany's All Unity plans to launch a Swedish krona stablecoin in June, backed by DWS, Flow Traders, and Galaxy Digital. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.